Hello everybody. Today I will be doing the tutorial for the Card Trick Brainbender. So, there's no setup, but you're going to make 3 predictions at the beginning, and these predictions are not random. The first prediction is going to be the matching card for the card that is on bottom, but for you it's on top. So, you want to look through the deck and act like it's random. And what I do sometimes, I do the second card. And so that way you don't flash it and they don't realize that that's it, because they're going to be seeing that card a lot. And then once I have my 3 predictions down, I can move it back on bottom. So you find that, and wow, it was actually right there. So you just set it down. Then the next prediction is going to be the matching card for the card on top, but for you it's on bottom. So then you just, and you can find these cards, like the bottom one, the top one, and then the next one as you're finding the predictions. So then you'll find the matching card for that. And then the third prediction is the third card, so Queen of Hearts. And these are actually the same predictions that I used in my performance. And Queen of Diamonds is actually right there, so you can set that down. So that was actually convenient, because now I don't have to move that back to the bottom. Now the next thing you're going to do is, starting at the one that you got that matches the bottom, you're going to divide it into thirds like this. So put a third down, a third down, and a third down. And now we're not quite ready for the setup, because that's on bottom and the card you want to be there on top is right there. So what you're going to do, you're going to say, as an example, I'm going to say, I'm going to put cards down, and you put 2 cards down, and then you'll say stop, and then you say stop. And then we'll put that card in, then we'll take it out. And that, as well as showing the spectator what you're going to do, has set it up with matching one for that right there, matching one for that right there. So now what you're going to do is have them tell you when to stop, and you'll just go like that, and what that's doing is putting, no, it's going to be putting it on there. So no matter where they stop, you'll be putting that on top of it. Then you can go like that. Now with this one, there are no key cards, I guess you could call them, in it, so you can actually mix the middle one up, or let the spectator mix it up. But you can't do it with the other ones, and then have them tell you to stop. Alright, then put it in there, put the rest on top. Now with this one, same thing, except for no mixing up, have them tell you when to stop. Put it in. Now you're going to slide those all together, and starting over here, you're going to go like that, and put them all together. And then what you'll do, you fan out the deck from right to left, and say, alright, now we can find my key cards, and find the one farthest to the left, which is your first one, and then take it and all the cards above it and move it to the top, and say, those are all the cards with that one. And then this time the next time you're going to, so you'll regroup it and then fan it from left to right and find the one closest to the left. This is actually your last prediction, but hopefully they won't notice. Take all the cards under it, like that. Right there. Then you could just take that, but for consistency you're going to refan it again and again from left to right and find that. Put it just like that, then say you don't need to use the rest of the deck. Then you can reveal that they told you when to stop, and they have landed on the matching pair, the soulmates for each card. Thank you for watching.